The JF-17 Thunder multi-role combat aircraft. JF-17 Thunder, the rising star of modern combat aviation. The JF-17 Thunder, also known as the FC-1 Xiaolong in China, is a symbol of modern military cooperation between Pakistan and China and stands as a testament to self-reliance in defense technology. Developed jointly by the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, PAC, and China's Chengdu Aircraft Industry Corporation, CAC, the JF-17 has emerged as a versatile, cost-effective, and combat-proven multi-role fighter that fulfills the needs of air forces in developing countries and middle-power nations. Origins and development. The genesis of the JF-17 Thunder traces back to the 1980s and 1990s when the Pakistan Air Force, PAF, sought a replacement for its aging fleet of Nanshan A-5, Chengdu F-7, and Mirage 3/V fighters. Amid growing threats and changing geopolitical realities, Pakistan needed an indigenous solution that could be fielded at scale without relying entirely on Western suppliers. In 1999, Pakistan and China formally signed an agreement to co-develop a new lightweight, multi-role combat aircraft. The project, initially known as Super 7, evolved into the JF-17 Thunder, with JF standing for Joint Fighter. The design and development process saw active participation from PAF engineers and test pilots, ensuring that the aircraft would meet Pakistan's specific operational needs. The maiden flight of the prototype took place in 2003, and after several refinements and testing phases, serial production began in 2007. Today, PAC Camera manufactures the aircraft domestically, showcasing Pakistan's growing aerospace capabilities. Design and capabilities. The JF-17 is a single-engine, lightweight, multi-role fighter aircraft designed for air-to-air and air-to-surface combat. Its aerodynamic profile includes a cropped delta wing and a single vertical stabilizer, combining agility with stability at various speeds and altitudes. Key specifications of the JF-17 include: length, 14.9 meters. Wingspan, 9.45 meters. Maximum speed, Mach 1.6. Service ceiling, 55,500 feet. Range, over 2,000 kilometers with drop tanks. Power plant, Klimov RD-93 afterburning turbofan engine. Plans are underway to adopt Chinese WS-13 engines or alternatives for future blocks. The aircraft's glass cockpit is equipped with a modern avionics suite, including a multifunction display, MFD, head-up display, HUD, and fly-by-wire control system. It supports both beyond visual range, BVR, combat and precision strike capabilities. In later variants, an active electronically scanned array, ASA, radar has been introduced, improving detection range, jamming resistance, and multi-target tracking. Weapon systems. The JF-17 Thunder can carry a wide range of ordnance, including air-to-air missiles, PL-5, PL-9C, PL-12, and AIM-9 Sidewinders, in earlier models. Air-to-surface missiles, C-802 anti-ship missile, CM-400 and precision-guided munitions. Unguided munitions, general-purpose bombs, rocket pods, and cluster munitions. Internal cannon, 23mm or 30mm GSH-23-2 twin-barrel autocannon. The aircraft features 7 hardpoints, 4 under the wings, 2 under the fuselage, and 1 on the centerline, supporting a payload of up to 3,700 kilograms. This gives the Thunder the flexibility to carry a wide mix of offensive and defensive weapons depending on the mission. Variants. Since its inception, the JF-17 has undergone several upgrades to enhance its performance and adaptability. 1. JF-17 Block I. The initial production version featuring basic avionics and weapons integration. Delivered primarily between 2007 and 2013. 2. JF-17 Block 2A introduced improved radar, aerial refueling capability, and better avionics. enhanced maintainability and night operations. 3. JF-17 Block 3 are the most advanced variant to date, featuring AESA radar, helmet-mounted display, electronic warfare suite, improved engine, and infrared search and track (IRST) system. Often compared to 4.5 generation fighters like the F-16 Volts and Rafale. 4. JF-17B, a two-seat trainer version used for pilot instruction and potentially light combat roles. Operational history. The Pakistan Air Force is the primary operator of the JF-17, with over 140 units in service as of 2025. The aircraft has been fully integrated into PAF's air defense and strike capabilities, replacing older legacy platforms. One of the most high-profile uses of the JF-17 came during the 2019 India-Pakistan aerial skirmish, when Pakistan claimed that the JF-17 was involved in shooting down an Indian MiG-21 Bison. While details remain contested, the incident highlighted the Thunder's role in real-world combat scenarios. Aside from Pakistan, the JF-17 has garnered international attention and export success. Countries such as Myanmar, Nigeria, and most recently, Azerbaijan and Iraq, have placed orders or shown interest in the aircraft, praising its affordability, performance, and adaptability. Strategic significance. For Pakistan, the JF-17 is not just a fighter jet, it represents a move toward defense independence. It allows Pakistan to avoid over-reliance on U.S.-sourced platforms, which can be subject to political restrictions and embargoes. The platform also strengthens ties with China, a key strategic ally, while opening avenues for aerospace cooperation with other countries. From a global perspective, the JF-17 fills a vital niche for countries seeking modern capabilities without the hefty price tag of Western aircraft like the F-16, Gripen, or Eurofighter. Its pricey, roughly $25–30 million per unit depending on the configuration, is significantly lower, making it an attractive option for air forces with budget constraints. Challenges and future prospects. Despite its success, the JF-17 faces several challenges. Its engine, the RD-93, sourced from Russia, has reliability and maintenance concerns. Although China is developing alternatives, full independence in engine manufacturing remains a work in progress. It lacks stealth features compared to 5th generation aircraft like the F-35, though this is addressed in part by its cost and intended operational role. However, with continued upgrades, integration of artificial intelligence, electronic warfare capabilities, and improved sensors, the JF-17 is set to remain a cornerstone of Pakistan's defense for years to come. The possibility of further exports could also turn it into a significant source of defense revenue. Conclusion. The JF-17 Thunder represents a rare combination of affordability, adaptability, and combat performance in the modern aerospace landscape. Born out of necessity and strategic partnership, it has become a symbol of technological progress and national pride for Pakistan. As the platform continues to evolve, it will likely play a growing role not just in South Asia, but in international defense markets across Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. Subscribe your My Channel.